Hey guys, Aaron Manby down here with Sherwood Dodge, and today beside me I have a brand new 2021 Jeep Grand Cherokee Altitude. Now you can tell it's an Altitude because you do have your blacked out badging here with your little chrome accents in the grille. Now if you're looking down here, you do see this little camera down here. That means you have your forward front collision with your ProTech group, which also includes your lane departure and your park assist as well. Now if you're coming to the side here, it does have keyless entry along with your blind spot detection and heated mirrors. Now coming to the inside, you do have a 50-50 leather and suede split. On the inside, you do have your heated seats and heated steering wheel with your 8.4-inch touchscreen. All your safety features on the center console there, of course your 4x4 with your 4 low. Now if you come in the back here, you do have tons of room with a 115-volt plug. Now coming to the very back here, you do have a power lift gate. And one cool thing I'd like to mention, it does have a rear view camera, but the cool thing I'd like to mention is it does come with your cold weather groups package, so you do have your all-weather mats here. Now, if you guys have any questions about this beautiful Grand Cherokee, please give me a call at 780-729-5517. Thanks for your guys' time today. I look forward to talking with you soon.